Writing. Welcome to our YouTube channel. Welcome to our YouTube channel. Today, we're exploring the 1976 American 1-cent Liberty D coin, commonly known as the 1976D, Lincoln cent. This historic coin was struck at the Denver Mint and is admired for its classic design, connection to President Abraham Lincoln, and importance in American coin collecting. The 1976D 1-cent coin is an official circulating coin of the United States. The coin has a face value of 1 cent, equal to 1/100th of $1. The D mint mark on the obverse indicates that the coin was struck at the Denver Mint. The obverse features the portrait of President Abraham Lincoln. The Lincoln cent was first introduced in 1909 to honor the 100th anniversary of Lincoln's birth. The obverse design was created by sculptor Victor David Brenner. The word liberty appears beside Lincoln's portrait. The motto, "In God We Trust," is displayed above the portrait. The year 1976 appears on the obverse along with the D mint mark. The reverse features the classic Lincoln Memorial design. The Lincoln Memorial reverse was designed by Frank Gasparro. The inscriptions 1 cent and United States of America appear on the reverse. The national motto, E pluribus unum, appears above the Lincoln Memorial. The coin is composed of 95% copper with 5% zinc and tin. It weighs approximately 3.11 grams. The coin has a diameter of approximately 19.05 millimeters. The edge of the coin is smooth. Millions of 1976D Lincoln cents were produced for circulation. Most circulated examples remain affordable for collectors. Collectors often search for coins with original red mint luster. Brilliant uncirculated examples are generally more desirable than worn coins. Professional grading services evaluate coins according to internationally accepted grading standards. Some collectors search for genuine mint errors and interesting die varieties. Proper storage helps preserve the coin's original appearance. Experts recommend avoiding cleaning collectible coins because it may reduce the coin's numismatic value. The Lincoln Memorial design remained on the reverse until 2008. Many collectors enjoy building complete year-by-year collections of Lincoln cents. The 1976D 1-cent coin represents an important chapter in American coinage history. It remains popular among both beginner and experienced coin collectors. Whether found in circulation or preserved in a collection, this coin continues to be appreciated by collectors around the world. Its combination of history, classic design, and affordability makes it a favorite collectible. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed learning about the 1976D American 1-cent Liberty coin, please like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel, and turn on the notification bell for more videos about world coins, rare currency, valuable collectibles, and fascinating numismatic history. Here are 2 more paragraphs you can add. Writing. The 1976D. Here are 38 more paragraphs to continue your YouTube description. Writing. The 1976D Lincoln cent is one of the most recognizable 1-cent coins in the United States. Its compact size made it practical for everyday transactions. Millions of these coins circulated across the country for many years. The D mint mark shows that the coin was struck at the Denver Mint. Collectors enjoy comparing Denver coins with those struck at other U.S. mint facilities. The portrait of Abraham Lincoln honors one of America's most respected presidents. Lincoln has appeared on the 1-cent coin since 1909. The word liberty represents one of the nation's founding ideals. The Lincoln Memorial reverse is a classic American coin design. Collectors admire the detailed engraving of the Lincoln Memorial. The bronze composition gives the coin a rich reddish color when well preserved. Many collectors search for examples with original red mint luster. Brilliant, uncirculated coins are generally more desirable than heavily circulated examples. Professional grading services carefully evaluate collectible coins. Higher grade examples often receive greater interest from collectors. Some collectors search for genuine mint errors and double die varieties. Authentic error coins are much scarcer than ordinary circulation pieces. Proper storage helps protect coins from scratches and environmental damage. Coin albums and protective holders are excellent for long-term preservation. Handling collectible coins only by their edges helps preserve their surfaces. Cleaning collectible coins is generally discouraged because it may reduce their numismatic value. Many collectors enjoy completing year-by-year Lincoln Cent collections. The 1976D issue is an important part of any Lincoln Cent series. Lincoln Cents are among the most widely collected coins in the world. The coin represents an important period in American coinage history. Studying coins helps people understand history, art, and national symbols. Every coin tells a story about the time in which it was produced. The craftsmanship of the United States Mint is reflected in this classic issue. Its timeless design continues to attract collectors of all ages. Many families still discover 1976D Lincoln Cents in old jars and inherited collections. Collectors often compare different mint marks, grades, and color designations. Well-preserved examples remain attractive additions to any collection. The Lincoln Memorial Reverse remains one of the most iconic designs in American coinage. This coin is an affordable choice for both new and experienced collectors. Its historical importance makes it much more than ordinary pocket change. The 1976D American 1-cent Liberty coin remains a lasting symbol of American heritage. Collectors around the world appreciate its classic design and long history. Thank you once again for watching, and we hope you continue joining us for more videos about world coins, rare currency,